Welcome to the second video in our affiliate marketing series of 5 videos, and in this video we're going to discuss how to use infographics in your affiliate marketing. An infographic is a good way to demonstrate a lot of information in a way that is easy to digest for your audience. Data-centric posts, examples of success and stats work well in infographics. Infographics are a really good way to market products to your audience to demonstrate their value to them. You can easily repurpose content. Change up your marketing with infographics. Take an old blog post or sales page and convert it to an infographic so that you re-energize your marketing efforts. It's very important to repurpose content because different members of the audience learn in different ways. Create embed code. Let others use the code to spread around the infographic so that you'll get more viewers with it. You can use this free embed code generator from Siege Media to help you do it right. Follow this link. A great use of infographics is to use testimonial quotes as part of the infographic. Link back to your sales page with the infographic so that you can build traffic to your website. Infographics can make great use of data and stats. Infographics are a really fabulous way to get important information to your audience in the way that they can understand it best. Using pictures to depict data helps people understand the stats in a whole new way, which is a great idea because people are visual. It's just nicer looking at a beautifully designed graphic than it is looking at a bunch of black and white text that has a lot of data in it. When people are visual learners, putting everything together in a pictorial format makes all the difference. It's as if the image is bursting to tell a story. An infographic is a terrific way to tell a story to your audience about the product you're promoting, using a different picture plus the data and moving the story down the line, kind of like a comic strip, can show, tell and explain the story of a product that a normal article can't explain. Infographics can certainly help you to promote your brand. By using your own coloring, fonts and logos, you can help promote your brand while promoting someone else's product that you'll earn affiliate income on. Keeping the branding consistent on everything you do makes it easier for your audience to tell it's you. Take your infographic and add it to an infographic directory. There are numerous directories that take only infographics. If your infographic fits with their theme, you can list yours with them. Ensure that the directory is legitimate and has a particular theme for the best results. An advantage of doing that is the fact that you get to build backlinks. Authoritative backlinks are still important to help your business get more traffic, and infographics that you allow others to embed is a great way to accomplish this task. Backlinks help your website appear more authoritative. Using infographics in your affiliate marketing is a good way to make your efforts more interesting and effective. People are much more likely to view an entire infographic and to share the infographic with others if you ensure that it's interesting, accurate, and effective.